you all for coming out. It means the world to us that you're here to celebrate our special day.
We love you all. We're so happy to be here together.
There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Fionna is a part of me because she has flooded my memories with happiness and joy. I wish you the most happy family in the rest of your journey. I love you both.
Fionna, thank you for loving my brother the way you do. Danny, you'll always have a brother in me. And now Fionna, so do you. And your love as constant as the friendship that brought us here tonight. Salud!